Hi guys, welcome to week 5. And what are we doing in week 5? You are writing an essay. And I wanted to give you 3 very important reminders about this essay. First, practice correct MLA format in terms of the 3 short quotes and 3 block quotes you are required to use. What are short quotes and what are block quotes? You know the answer to this question because you have been doing the MLA quizzes, okay? Write an essay with a variety of paragraphs, including the kinds of short transition paragraphs modeled in the Chapter 1 and Chapter 3 essays. Do not give me some mammoth paragraphs, okay? Use a variety of paragraphs and, of course, run a spell grammar check and proofread your work. Okay, so let's go into our classroom. And we are here in home, our bulletin board. We have our link to week 5 of 6, July 8th through the 14th, 2019, to discussion 4B and an MLA quiz we're going to take. And this link takes us into modules, which is our classroom Bible. It contains all of our assignments. Let's survey the bulletin board for a moment. We have the teacher, the parents, and the student in an artwork. These are like the internal workings of a clock. They should work in harmony together, right? Let's go ahead and click on this assignment and review it. Okay, so we have the same artwork here in this assignment. Teacher, parents, and students. This is what we're writing about. We have how I will evaluate you for this assignment, the discussion rubric. We have a part 1. These are the directions for the essay. And we have a part 2. These are your peer responses. And we have a little sign checkout for help with quoting that we have right here. Okay, I'm scrolling up and I'm going to let you click on and read our discussion rubric, how I evaluate this assignment, and also the part 1. But I want to remind you in here, number 3, quote at least twice from each of the sources listed below in the work cited, a short quote and a block quote from each text for a total of 6 quotes, and put the work cited after your essay. Make sure you use correct Modern Language Association MLA format and run a spell grammar check. This is very important. And these are our 3 works here. 2 of the works you're familiar with, Carol Dweck, you've already read this, and Paulo Freire. And we have 1 new work, Devon Price, and Laziness Does Not Exist, her article. Okay, so you will want to observe all the rules that I've given you here. And although you're going to write an informal 1,000-word essay, one in which you share your thoughts, feelings, and ideas about the essay topic, I do expect the quoting to be in correct MLA format, okay? So it does need to be observed. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox. And again, you're never bothering me. You're never emailing me too much. Email me as much as you need to for an assignment, to be clear. All right. One last note. When you respond to 2 peers' essays, I really want you to talk to each other and also to talk to me. Let's try to have a discussion here. I will be asking you questions, and make sure you check your thread for my questions. Okay. Read the directions very carefully, and let's have fun this week. I think you're going to like the new article we have to read.